This course aims to build practical capability in bancassurance by helping learners understand how banks can distribute insurance products through a customer-centric, need-based, and compliant approach. Participants will learn the business importance of bancassurance, customer life cycle mapping, structured profiling, product suitability assessment, and ethical selling practices. The course also focuses on sales conversations, advisory-based engagement, documentation, discipline, and coordination between bank and insurer representatives. By the end of the program, learners will be able to identify customer needs, recommend suitable insurance solutions, avoid mis-selling risks, and strengthen bancassurance performance while maintaining trust, transparency, and regulatory compliance.